Hey folks, year end's coming up quick, and I get a lot of questions from business owners about what are some things I can do now to cut my tax bill. And I've got a few here that can help you out. First thing, prepay expenses using this thing called the IRS Safe Harbor. So this is a really cool rule. It's like a tax deduction safe harbor. If you're a cash basis taxpayer, which most of you are, you can prepay certain expenses up to 12 months ahead without any hassle. Like imagine paying next year's rent now and getting a deduction this year. Just be careful not to surprise your landlord. Make sure you got proof of when you mailed that check. Second one is stop billing clients and customers. Okay, I know that sounds a little weird because you want the money coming in, but likely they aren't going to pay until next year because they're trying to hold on to cash as well. So stop sending bills until after December 31st. If you're on a cash basis and operate on a calendar year, you can delay paying taxes on that income until 2024. Like Jake the dentist sends us bills in January instead of December. Smart move, right? Buy some office equipment. If you're thinking about upgrading your office stuff, well, now's the time. You can deduct the whole cost of new office gear using the 179 or bonus depreciation. It's like getting a big deduction and maybe even reducing your Section 199A deduction. That's a qualified business income deduction for those of you who don't speak IRS. So if a new computer or furniture is needed, go get it. And if you have to hire somebody to put it together, like that stuff from IKEA, then that could be a deduction as well, as long as you pay them this year. All right, so number four is going to be use your credit cards correctly. So these credit cards can be your tax savings buddy. If you charge a business purchase to your credit card, you get to deduct the expense. But here's a catch. If you're a corporation owner with a personal credit card, your corporation needs to reimburse you by December 31st for the deduction account. So keep that in mind. And please, number five is don't assume you're taking too many deductions. Always keep track of your deductions. Claiming all your rightful deductions is super important. If your business deductions are more than your income, then you got something called a net operating loss. It can turn to cash for your business in the future. Pretty cool, huh? Lastly, deal with your qualified improvement property. If you've made improvements to your business space, like giving it a facelift, you might be able to deduct it sooner than you think. QIP, or Qualified Improvement Property, lets you deduct these improvements over 15 years instead of the usual 39. But here's the deal. To get the deduction in 2023, you need to make those improvements by December 31st. So there you got it. 6 awesome ways your business can make the most tax deduction before the year ends. Remember, in the world of taxes, more deductions mean less taxes to pay, and that's always a win. Thanks.